For the third time, we set our sights on the Kootenays, a place that's never made it easy, always keeping its secrets. Twice before, we've chased adventure here. Twice, we've left with unfinished business. This time, we go with close friends and no roadmap, not knowing what we'll find, only knowing we have to go. Will this be the year the Kootenays let us in? Only time and the mountains will tell.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We are so excited you join us. We are on a mission for mountains. It's going to be an amazing adventure. And we thought we'd stop for breakfast, and look what we found. Like famous YouTubers. It's going to be an FLM, BRJ, and Brian vacation into the Kootenays. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this, guys. It's going to be amazing. See you in a bit.
So how excited are you?
I'm pretty stoked.
This is going to be so
I'm
awesome.
pretty stoked. We got like an awesome crew with us too.
Oh yeah.
This is going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, this is going to be.
And so excited to meet Matt.
Yes.
Super stoked.
A long time coming. We've been talking to Matt for
A couple of years. Yeah.
Super. Yeah, so excited.
Yeah.
The only thing is freaking we thought 3 times lucky.
For Rady. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we watched a video by Denny of the Alpine, and great video, by the way, Denny, if you're watching this. And he went up to Rady, and there were still some spots. It sort of looks where it's shady, crossing the road, and it looked pretty deep. And he camped on the road rather than like farther up. And it was, to me, it was a telltale when he said he'll pull his truck to the side and leave it for the more adventurous. And I've seen what him, Bruce, and Sean do, so we made the call at that point that we're not going to Rady because they're much more daring than we are.
Foiled before we even left.
Yeah, but it's kind of good that we knew before we left.
Yes.
So we came up with another plan. So the plan so far is we're heading to Grand Forks to meet up with Matt and spend some time with him.
And see stuff we don't even know what we're going to see.
We don't even know what we're doing. And that's
so
the cool
awesome.
part about the adventure. And then we're going to head to... Where are we heading to?
Well, we're not 100%. We're going to head maybe towards Nelson area and see what
Nelson,
we can find.
Caslow.
Yeah, see what we can find out that way.
Yeah. So it's going to be a completely off-the-hook adventure. There's nothing in the Onyx. We literally were talking about it last night too, and it's just like...
Flying by the seat of our
We're flying by the seat of our pants. And we're just going to enjoy a week in the Kootenays.
It's going to be amazing.
So follow along, because...
it's going to be hot.
Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be hot.
It's supposed to be hot.
Yeah. Glazed donut mode engaged. All right, guys. We'll see you in a bit.
All right, we are entering a Soyuz. What is a Soyuz famous for?
The warm lake that feels like someone's peeing beside you.
There you have it, folks. Come to a Soyuz to feel like you're getting peed on in the lake. Okay, so this is the Greenwood Slag Pile. It's like a landmark from the old BC copper smelter days. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. Apparently, it operated from 1901 to 1918. that was cool to see.
That was neat.
Now we can say we.
Oh, we've always seen it from the road,
Yeah.
so it's neat to just get up closer.
So now we're going to head to, what is it called? Deadwood Junction?
Deadwood Junction's right there.
No. Right in front of us, Deadwood Junction. But we were told, and we have seen, of this bakery that is a must.
It's a must, apparently.
Is a must,
And it
apparently.
looks like there's a lot of people parked there, so
Might have to park
on the road.
over here, yeah. Oh, we'll all fit, so that's good.
So you want to do like a butter tart and a cinnamon bun?
Sure.
Okay.
Butter tart has raisins.
We will do one butter tart and one cinnamon roll, please. No, we're actually good for that. Raisin.
It's adorable. It's all different? Really?
No,
That's amazing.
Joanne got a butter tart too.
What'd you get?
Same as you guys.
Nice.
I get both of them.
We're on holidays. There's no calories on holidays.
All right, let's go find Matt.
We're gonna go find Matt.
Here we come. Ollie, you're here!
Act like it's real.
Everybody's coming out with alcohol right now.
Right?
Yeah, your buddy.
You know what I noticed about this
He goes, "Where are you
town?
guys going?"
Everybody
and
likes
we're like,
blue.
"We don't know."
Everybody loves it.
And I said, "Our friend Matt's gonna take us."
Except for Matt.
Or no, I said, "Our friend's
Matt.
gonna take us. He's around here." He goes, "Matt,"
Green is
and I'm like, "Yeah, Matt."
Green is
He
better.
goes, "Matt's my buddy."
Blue's okay. I could have beat it yesterday. You would have loved the car show.
Oh,
Yeah?
really?
Yeah,
And the
it
weather
so
was
good.
nicer. It was a little bit cooler.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's
Yeah.
getting a little muggy and hot.
Yeah.
Starting to get warm now.
Yeah.
That was an awesome surprise to see Holly.
Yes, that was amazing.
Hopefully her Jeep doesn't overheat and she can hang out for a bit. It is freaking hot.
It is toasty. Truck says 29.
That's crazy. All right, here we are. We're wheeling in the Kootenays. This is so cool. I'm already like, other than the heat, it's
Yeah.
because it's now saying 30. I'm sure it'll cool down by the time we need to go to sleep.
It's like Matt said too. He said the sun is pretty intense out here.
Yeah, I can see that.
Turning off.
That looks cool up ahead. I don't know, with the cloud and everything.
Yeah, it does look cool. The trees.
Yeah.
Like from down below, like I wouldn't expect this thickness, right? From what you see.
No, exactly. We thought, desert atmosphere. That is grown. Love it. This is awesome. Well, Mr. Matt, you did say there could be some
Tight parts.
tight parts. This is wicked. Oh shoot.
What?
I thought there might be a bit of a view here, but
There's an opener.
not much. Hey guys, thank you for watching this far. We are at camp. We went up this wicked amazing trail. It was so much fun. We did end up at a spot which we considered camping at, but decided that we would come for the view. And what a view it is. We're gonna chill out tonight, have a campfire because there's no band. Tomorrow morning, Matt's gonna come back and he is gonna show us a few things. And we are super excited for what tomorrow will be. For tonight, like I said, we're gonna get a fire going, we're gonna set up camp, chill out, and just enjoy the beauty of the Kootenays. If you're still here, please give us a like, a comment, subscribe. We would really, really, really appreciate it. And we will talk in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Good evening.
I guess, at this point, yeah.
Yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. We are in the Kootenays. This spot is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Thanks, Matt and Holly.
Thank you, Matt and Holly. We are here with a new
Booze review.
Booze review. So, ironically, not long ago, because I do enjoy a good margarita, our youngest asked me if I'd tried Ole margaritas. And I had not. So on this trip, I did. I bought the original Ole and top notch. What I found with that is it's not overly sweet, so you could drink more than 1, 2, and it'd be great. However, they have it spicy. A spicy margarita. Who would have thought that there would be such a thing? So of course I'm going to try it because I like spicy. Let's give it a go. Oh, hold on. Let me read the description first.
Right.
Spicy margarita. A spicy, crisp margarita crafted with tequila blanco, real lime juice, and a touch of authentic agave nectar perfected with a pinch of sea salt. Served chilled, which it is. Thank you, Iceco.
I love me a pinch of sea salt.
Right?
There's a lot of bugs.
There's mosquitoes, sorry. So here we go. We're going to give it a go.
How is it?
Wow. Wow.
So, would recommend per se?
It is really good. If you like spicy, the spice takes a bit away from the margarita, but put together, whoa, that is really good. Really good.
Nice.
I would recommend it. If you are a spice kind of person, you got to give this a try.
Nice.
Very good. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. We are actually getting ready to cook our dinner. We have decided because it was such a long day, we're going to keep it simple. We are going to do smokies. in this awesome location. Let me just come over here a little bit and we're going to show you the sunset. It is gorgeous. We are cooling off. Thank goodness. We hit like, I think 30 degrees today.
It was hot.
It was hot.
It was hot, but it's like an intense sun, Matt said.
Exactly. Right. So we are going to get these smokies cooking on our campfire.
Just scoring them, getting them ready. And
the good news is we can have a campfire.
yes, it's amazing.
So exactly. So we will catch you at the fire.
All those drugs taking their toll.
Dying in the smoke, but I'm making the smokies.
They look delicious.
Oh, they should be.
I should probably take the condiments out and make you a second bun. I don't know how well this is translating on the GoPro, but we're pretty close to a full moon. Looks amazing out here.
All right. Way better than me.
Those look so good.
They do. Don't burn yourself, huh?
Oh, a bat!
That was crazy. It was like right there. I was like, wow.
Okay, and with that, dinner is served. The sun is setting. The moon is rising.
Yep.
It is cooling off. It's been an amazing day. We cannot thank Matt enough for what he has shown us so far.
100%.
There is way more to come. You are going to want to come back next week and see what happens.
Yeah, totally.
And yeah, like this has been awesome. Thank you, Michelle and Holger, for coming over on the ferry, making this journey with us. Thank you, Brian, for always being there for us. And until next week,
Get out there.
enjoy life and
Find a hot dog.
thanks for watching, guys.